Hello, hello! Welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy Step by Step. Gotta apologize for the shaking going on here today. Trying to earn an upgrade to a new camera, but have a feeling it might take a little while. So let's get right into it. Use the diagram to answer the question below. So I've got a bunch of questions regarding this triangular prism. So I want you to take a look at this shape before I go into any details regarding this, answering this particular type of question. So if you can see here, we've got two bases. They're both right degree triangles. And then there's also 1, 2, and 3 rectangular shapes. So it's really important you understand that moving into answering some of these questions. For this particular question, we're going to focus on solving for x. All right, and understand this is not drawn to a perfect scale. Did the best I can in drawing this out. And let's just jump right on into it. Here's the question. What is the length of the hypotenuse of the triangular prism? Question. Okay, you have options A, 3 meters, B, 4 meters, C, 25 meters, or D, 5 meters. Okay, let's go back up here. If I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, rewind the video. So let's take a look here. We have a right degree triangle. I'm going to get into the more details in a moment. We have a leg value of 4 meters, a base leg of 3 meters, and then, of course, x. We're going to look to solve for x. So stay with me. I'm going to get into the details of this particular shape, but we're really focused on the right angle base of this triangular prism. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to reach others by liking, following, and subscribing. I appreciate your time. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. I'm going to get into some in-depth understanding of how to solve for x. I got a bunch of questions regarding this triangular prism. Stick around for the videos 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 7. Follow me from beginning to end if you want to increase your understanding. Thank you for joining me.